In this problem, we are asked if negative 5 times the quantity 2x minus 1 is equivalent to negative 10x minus 5. So one way to show that these two expressions are different is to use the distributive property. So the distributive property says to take the whatever's on the outside of the parenthesis, so in this case a negative 5, and we're going to multiply it to each term inside the parenthesis. So we're going to start with negative 5 times 2x. So negative 5 times 2x is equal to negative 10x. Now we're going to take the negative 5 and we're going to multiply it to the negative 1. So we have a negative 5 times a negative 1, which is positive 5. So we're going to write plus 5 here. So we would get negative 10x plus 5, but the one that we were given here is negative 10x minus 5. So these two are not equivalent, they're different. Another way to show that these expressions are different is by, since they're variable expressions, plugging in a random number for x. So I'm going to use 3. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the x with 3. So here we have 2x, so that means times. So I'm going to go ahead and use the order of operations. I'm going to start within the parentheses, and within the parentheses here I need to do the multiplication first before I subtract here. So I have 2 times 3 is 6, and then minus 1 is 5. So then here what I'm left with is a number next to a parenthesis. This means multiply. So I have negative 5 times 5, which is negative 25. Okay, now we're going to take our other expression, which is negative 10x minus 5, and I'm going to use that same x value, which is 3. And using order of operations, we're going to multiply first. So we have a negative 10 times 3, which is negative 30. And then minus 5. Negative 30 minus 5 is negative 35. So as we can see here, negative 25 is not equal to negative 35. So therefore proving that those two expressions, those two variable expressions, don't yield the same result when you plug in the same x value. So they are different.